In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a space in Jira. Archiving is really useful when a project is finished or no longer active, but you still want to keep all of its information for reference later. Instead of deleting anything, you simply move it out of your everyday view, which keeps your Jira environment clean and easier to navigate. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira account and you're on the main projects or spaces page. Take a moment to look through your list and identify the project or space you want to archive. It might be an old initiative, a completed client project, or a test space you no longer need on your main list. Once you've found it, click on that project or space to open it. When the project or space page loads, look towards the top right area of the screen. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Actions menu. This is where Jira hides a lot of additional options that don't appear in the main toolbar. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. If you don't see them, you may need the right permissions, so check with your Jira administrator if the menu isn't available. After clicking the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to managing this space. In that list, look for the option that says Archive Space. This is the action that will move the space out of your active list without deleting any of its data. Click on Archive Space. Before you do this, it's a good idea to double check that the team is truly done working in this space, because you and others may stop seeing it where you usually look for active work. Once you select Archive Space, Jira will typically show a confirmation prompt. This is here to prevent you from archiving something by accident. The prompt will usually remind you that the space will be archived and may explain how to find it later in your archived spaces list. Review the message to be sure you've selected the correct space. When you're confident about your choice, click on the Archive button to confirm. After a moment, Jira will archive the space. It will disappear from your active spaces view, helping you keep everything organized, but all the information will still be stored and retrievable if you ever need it again. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully archived a space in Jira.